Flashcard Factory is a fun way to study words and work cooperatively. You can use this game with students as young as first grade. It is more cooperative than it is competitive, so it's a pretty good fit for every classroom. Students are divided into two teams, the day shift and the night shift, and within those teams, all the students in the class will be divided into pairs. The software does all the work for you. You can rearrange the pairs if you need to. Basically, the pairs then work together to make their best flashcard, including making a drawing and writing an example of how to use the word. So in a pair, this is what the writer would look like, and they get the word and the definition, and they create their sentence. And the other person in the pair gets to be the drawer, and they use their Chromebook to draw a picture, and then those two things get put together. And when the pair agrees that their flashcard is ready to ship, they click this button right here, and it goes off to the factory. This is what shows on the main screen while pairs of students are making their cards. And each time they make a card, it drops onto the conveyor belt. Once there are sufficient numbers of cards, you'll get a message that says you're ready to go to quality control. Okay. During quality control, you move through the cards and decide as a group whether they are approved or not approved, whether they're up to snuff or not up to snuff. And finally, at the end, you go to shipping. There's all our cards, and the good ones are going off in the truck there. And there is a winner between the two teams, but as I said, it's mostly collaborative and not super competitive. Finally, you can print a set of the cards, and they look like this. So if you want to, students can have the cards to study. Now, you, the teacher, do have to make the vocabulary list for the game, but it's pretty easy. Once you sign into peardeck.com from the screen right here, you're going to press this button where it says Pear Deck Vocabulary and create a vocabulary list. It'll take you to this page, and then you can start creating your list. And the nice thing is definitions are built right in, so you can pick one of their definitions or type a definition of your own. Once you're finished with your vocabulary list, you're ready to play by clicking this button right here. Once you save a set of words, they live in your Google Drive in that Pear Deck folder, and they are under vocabulary. And this is how you can open them up to play the game again. So here's a set that I made earlier, and I'm just going to double click on it to open it. And then my choice here is Open with Pear Deck. And from here, play Flashcard Factory. And it launches the Pear Deck session just like you're used to using with a regular Pear Deck presentation, except this is a game. The students log in, and then you click Clock In, and then your teams will be created here, and you're ready to play the game. Your ITRT would love to join you and help you run the game. So please invite me in. Have a great day filled with love, learning, and vocabulary. And if you need anything at all, see your ITRT.